Back at Brainstorm, we're going to recap the scores, and we're going to meet the faculty, advisors, administrators, coaches, those people helping the kids get ready for Brainstorm tonight. We're going to start with Desert Ridge, 170 points. Joshua, who do you got here?
This is Stacy Wiley. She teaches 11th grade English at Desert Ridge. She's also our academic decathlon coach, and she sponsors our school's GSA.
All right, great. Now, Boulder Creek with 170 points. Sean, who do you have?
This is Roslyn McDermott. At Boulder Creek, she teaches Psych 101 and AP Language Arts classes, and she's also the coach for our academic decathlon team.
All right, great. Now, West Wind Academy has 200 points. Daniel, who do you have?
This is our wonderful coach, Mr. Chernick. He teaches my AP Physics class and advanced math classes.
All right, that's terrific. And we're glad to have everybody here tonight on Brainstorm. It's time to go to our pick-a-packet round. Each team's going to be given a packet of questions. Correct answers are worth 20 points. There's no penalty for any incorrect answers. And the good news is, with 8 questions in each packet, if you get all 8 right, you're going to get a bonus of 25 points. Here's how we're going to get it started. Sean, I need your help. From Boulder Creek, pick one of these 3 packets for Desert Ridge.
Number 3.
Number 3 will go to Desert Ridge. Now remember, there is no penalty for any incorrect answer. All right? Here we go. Sir Isaac Newton didn't care a fig about cookies, but he was intrigued by what falling fruit that supposedly led him to discover the law of gravity.
Apples.
Apple is correct. 1785, J.P. Blanchard and Dr. John Jeffries made the first balloon trip across what body of water separating France from Britain?
English Channel.
English Channel is correct. In 1975, the U.S. government established a board to encourage Americans to convert to what system of measurement that includes the liter?
The metric system.
Metric system is correct. I have a science question for you. Take a look at the monitor. Which of these terms describes a swelling caused by unusual amounts of fluid in the intercellular tissue space?
Edema.
That is correct. Only 31 when he died. What scholarly Massachusetts colonist willed his library and his name to the oldest college in the United States? Need an answer.
John Adams.
Looking for Harvard. John Harvard. The sprite Ariel sings, "Come unto these yellow sands," in Act 1 of what Shakespeare play whose title is a synonym for storm?
The Tempest.
Tempest is correct. Got a math question for you. Take a look at the monitor. If one factor of this expression is x plus 5, what is the other factor? Need an answer. Looking for x minus 3, or minus 3 plus x. The first U.S. president to travel from the East Coast to the West Coast while in office was what 19th president whose wife was nicknamed Lemonade Lucy? Need an answer. We're looking for President Hayes, Rutherford B. Hayes. Desert Ridge is 270 points. All right, I need another packet. West Wind, Daniel, you're going to pick one of these packets for Boulder Creek, and you'll get the remainder.
We'll give them packet 1.
Packet 1. Okay, here we go. Boulder Creek. The Mississippi River and the Rio Grande cut through quite different terrains, but both empty into what large gulf that borders 5 southern states?
Gulf of Mexico.
Gulf of Mexico is correct. Benjamin Lundy, an abolitionist publisher in the 1830s, was a prominent member of what pacifist religious society to which William Penn had belonged?
Quakers.
Quakers is correct. First Lady Louisa Adams, wife of John Quincy Adams, was a scholarly woman who could read the works of Plato in what language spoken by Plato?
Greek.
Greek is correct. I have a science question for you. Take a look at the monitor for this. Which of these would be correctly classified as a compound?
Baking soda.
Baking soda is correct. Since Little League has gone worldwide, it might consider adopting the name of what international peacekeeping organization that preceded the United Nations?
League of Nations.
League of Nations is correct. There are almost 30 million references on Google to the medieval Italian poet who wrote the Divine Comedy.
Dante.
Dante is correct. I have a math question. Now take a look at your monitor. Evaluate this expression, giving your answer as a positive integer.
16.
16 is correct. What 10th president died in revolt against the United States as a member of the Confederate Congress? He had succeeded to the presidency on the death of William Henry Harrison. I need an answer. We're looking for John Tyler, is what we're looking for. And Boulder Creek is 310 points. All right, West Wind. You ready? Now, no penalty for any incorrect answer. You get all 8 right, you get the bonus, 25 points. Here we go. There are about 700 drinking fountains and 4,000 clocks in what building that is the headquarters of the U.S. Department of Defense?
Pentagon.
Pentagon is correct. They don't say anything about bathrooms, though. That's talking about it there. An old song says that diamonds are a girl's best friend, but they didn't do much for what 18th century French queen who was later sent to the guillotine? Marie Antoinette is correct. One pest exterminator who was definitely not high-tech was what legendary character who used a woodwind instrument to lure rats and children from the town of Hamelin?
What? Pied Piper. Pied Piper.
Pied Piper is correct. I could hear the negotiations going on there. I got a science question for you. Take a look at this at the monitor. Momentum is equal to which of these? Mass times velocity, mass times distance, or force times distance?
Mass times velocity.
That is correct. In the 1982 Falkland Wars, Britain deployed an aircraft carrier named for what Greek messenger god associated with the Roman Mercury?
Apollo?
Hermes is what we were looking for. 1001 Nights is an alternative title given to what book of stories supposedly told by the fictional queen Scheherazade?
Arabian Nights?
Arabian Nights is correct. Math question, take a look at your monitor. Evaluate this expression.
$3,606.
3,606 is correct. In 1856, General Winfield Scott was the last presidential candidate of what political party that had more success with its first candidate, William Henry Harrison?
The Whig Party?
Whig Party is correct.
Nice.
West Wind Academy has 340 points. At the end of our round, we got the grab bag round coming up next. Points can change hands in a hurry. Stay with us. More on Brainstorm in a moment.